Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Imprint application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Imprint app on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the Get Started as well as the Login button. If you already have an account, tap on the Login button and you will be taken into the login page. Now, if you signed up using your Google or your Apple account, click on the respective buttons and then choose your account. Otherwise, tap on Sign in with email. You will now be asked to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account within the email address box, and then type in your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Forgot Password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Imprint application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.